Hey guys, TechSender here. Today is video tutorial. I going to show you how to set up proxy in Opera web browser. Without talking too much, let's get started.
renderforest.com. TechSender, the tech expert.
First, you need to open up your Opera web browser, then go to iptracker.org for check IP address. This is my IP address, and here location details. Now go to Opera web browser settings, then click browser option, and scroll down and find out change proxy setting. Now click change proxy setting option. Then click LAN setting option. Now check mark proxy server option. Then go to Proxy Server list website. I'll link in description below. Copy any proxy server, make sure you need to remember proxy server port. Paste copied proxy server and address var. Then copy your selected proxy server port and paste it here. Now click OK. Again click OK. Now check IP address change or not. Wow, our IP address has been changed. This is my IP address. And here location details. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel TechSender for always stay connected to my channel and get all upcoming video tutorial on technology issue. Goodbye and take care of yourself.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on